Hello students, good morning. So let's go for today's class. Today we are going to learn something about our environment. So open your environmental studies book and let's go. So students, this is your environmental studies book and today we are going to learn something about our environment. So the very first chapter is our today's lesson. So plants around us. The world around us is full of beautiful green plants. So you can see a huge variety of plants all around us, among which few are terrestrial and among which few are aquatic plants. So despite this fact, they all have the same parts, same function, with their and they appear unique with different types of roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, so let's read here what is written here. So, the world around us is full of beautiful green plants. Like us, plants are also living things, but plants do not move from one place to another like us. They are of many sizes, shapes, and colors. Some plants grow on ground and some other grow in water. A plant has many parts such as roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. So students, now we are going to learn something about types of plants. So what are the types of plants? The types of plants are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, etc. Okay. So what are trees? Trees are big and tall plants. They have very thick, woody and hard stems called the trunk. Okay. So what is the trunk of the tree? The hard and woody stem is called the trunk. This single main stem gives rise to many branches, but some trees are branchless. So the examples of trees are banyan tree, papaya tree, or you can see around you a mango tree. Okay, it is easily available. So and the branchless trees are coconut tree, okay, palm tree. So we are going to learn something about shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They are medium sized woody plants, shorter than the tree. Okay, their features include bushy, hard and woody stems with many branches. The lifespan of these plants usually depends on the species. Rose, jasmine, lemon, tulsi, henna, etc. These are the examples of shrubs. Okay, and in the trees, the trees live for many years. Trees live for 1000 years or 2000 years also, some kind of trees. Okay, so next we are going to know about herbs. What are the herbs? Herbs is a short sized plant with soft green delicate stem without woody tissues. So remember that herbs have no woody tissues. Okay, they are easily uprooted from soil. Okay, so what are the examples of herbs? Rice, wheat, tomato, potato, corn plant or spinach plant. Okay, so they can live for 1 and 2 seasons only. So next we are going to know about climbers. Climbers are delicate plants. So climbers are much more advanced. They are very thin, long and weak stem. They have weak stems. So which cannot stand upright, but they can use external support to vertically grow. Okay, so the types of plants we use is special structures called tendrils to climb. So the examples of climbers are money plant, pea plant. Okay, and next creepers. Creepers do not stand straight. Okay, as the name, the plants that creep on the ground, they have many fragile, long, thin stems. Okay, the examples of creepers are gourd, muskmelon, watermelon and pumpkin. So students, try to read it very carefully at home and remember the facts about the plants, about the types of plants, and try to read it very carefully. So that's all for today, and in next class we are going to know about green plants who can make their own food. So that's all for today. Okay, goodbye.